Mastering CloudFront Integration. Elevate your Cloud Resume challenge with S3 static website hosting. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Introduction. Understanding the Cloud Resume Challenge and the role of CloudFront. The Cloud Resume Challenge has become famous for cloud enthusiasts and job seekers to showcase their skills by building and deploying a cloud-based resume. One key aspect of the challenge is hosting a static website on AWS, which can be made more robust and efficient by integrating Amazon CloudFront with Amazon S3. CloudFront, AWS's robust content delivery network, CDN, enhances your website's performance, security, and scalability, making it an essential component for cloud-based projects. What is CloudFront? Key features and benefits for content delivery. Amazon CloudFront is a CDN that accelerates the delivery of your website's content by caching it in multiple locations worldwide. This reduces latency, ensuring faster load times for users regardless of their geographical location. Here are some of the key features and benefits of using CloudFront. Global distribution. CloudFront has a vast network of edge locations that cache your content close to your users, ensuring quick access to your website. Security. Integrated with AWS Shield and AWS Web Application Firewall, WAF, CloudFront provides DDoS protection and enhances the security of your content. High availability. CloudFront's redundant network ensures that your content remains accessible during traffic spikes or outages. Cost effectiveness. By offloading traffic from your S3 bucket, CloudFront reduces data transfer costs and optimizes content delivery. Integrating CloudFront with S3, a powerful solution for static website hosting. Hosting your static website on Amazon S3 provides a reliable and scalable solution, but integrating CloudFront elevates it to a professional-grade deployment. The combination of S3 for storage and CloudFront for content delivery ensures that your website is both performant and secure, making it an ideal solution for the Cloud Resume Challenge. Step-by-step configuration. Adding CloudFront to your AWS infrastructure. To integrate CloudFront with your S3 hosted website, follow these steps. Create an S3 bucket. Start by creating an S3 bucket to host your static website. Enable the Static Website Hosting option in the Properties tab to ensure the bucket is configured for this purpose. Upload your website content. Upload your resume files, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and images, to the S3 bucket. Set the appropriate permissions to make the content publicly accessible. Create a CloudFront distribution. Navigate to the CloudFront console and create a new distribution. In the origin settings, select your S3 bucket as the origin domain. Configure other settings, such as caching behavior, security, and logging, as needed. Configure the distribution. Adjust the settings to optimize performance. Set default object caching, enable HTTPS, and specify custom error pages if necessary. Deploy the distribution. Deploy the CloudFront distribution. The distribution may take a few minutes to propagate and become active. Deploying and testing, verifying your CloudFront distribution. Once the CloudFront distribution is active, you can test it by accessing your website through the CloudFront URL. Check for the following. Load time. The website should load quickly from different geographical locations. SSL/TLS. Ensure the website is accessible via HTTPS, providing secure connections. Content delivery. Verify that all content, including images and scripts, is delivered through CloudFront. Important considerations: caching and content updates. Caching is a critical feature of CloudFront, but it also requires careful management. Cache invalidation. When you update your website content, you may need to invalidate the CloudFront cache to ensure users receive the latest version. TTL, time to live. Adjust the TTL settings for cache content based on how frequently your content changes. Understanding these caching behaviors is crucial to maintaining an up-to-date and responsive website. Beyond the basics, preparing for custom domain integration. You can integrate a custom domain with your CloudFront distribution for a professional touch. Here's how. Register a domain. Use Amazon Route 53 or another domain registrar to register your custom domain. Configure DNS settings. Point your domain to the CloudFront distribution by creating an alias or CNAME record in your DNS settings. Set up SSL/TLS. Attach an SSL certificate through AWS Certificate Manager, ACM, to enable SSL/TLS for your custom domain. Update CloudFront settings. Add your custom domain to the CloudFront distribution and configure the SSL certificate for secure connections. With these steps, your Cloud Resume challenge will be polished, professional, and ready to impress potential employers. By following this podcast, you'll have successfully integrated CloudFront with S3, elevating your static website hosting to a new level of performance and professionalism. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.